Here's a customized 124 scale Ecto 1 Ghostbusters car. This is, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, 59 Cadillac Eldorado. The Ghostbusters took over and turned into their vehicle. Very detailed. As you see, features opening hood. Under the hood, you have the detailed engine, opening front doors, and opening rear tailgate. A 9-volt battery is for the working lights that I installed as well. On and off switch is on the back. As you saw, the battery is really easy to replace. Or on the front, so we have the solid headlights and a flashing lights in the grille. Roof lights, the blue lights, just like again the car had in the movie. And the solid tail lights. All right, it'll be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. That's the box that it comes with. Made by Jada. Again, please ask all questions before you bid. And thanks for all your support, guys. Take care.